Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a AliExpress haul. Uh-oh, that's supposed to be two. I hope it's two. One for me, one for a friend. Yep, it's two. No, it's not. It is. It is, it is. Okay, so that one is for a friend, and this one is for me. I've said before I need new t-shirts. And I've been going to a lot of animal swaps and reptile shows and stuff. So I love this fabric. Oh, I hope this comes off. That really made me mad on the other one. It made a mess coming off. I couldn't even get it off. Uh-oh. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, good. Okay. Look how cute this is. Guinea pig shopping for vegetables. How cute is that? Let me put this down so you can see. How cute is that little shopping cart? I actually bought a shopping cart to see if I could get one of my guinea pigs to push it. I used to train guinea pigs to do tricks and agility, so it's not far-fetched.
I was seeing if I could get one of the guinea pigs near the room
to squeak?
To squeak.
Yeah. All right, and then I got this girl. Okay, she did come. Okay, the clothes are here. This is just a cute little dress. Did I buy this one before? Sometimes I put it in my cart and buy it twice, or I like it and I go back. Oh, I do want that other shoe. I'll get it in just a minute. Usually Katie, when something hits the floor, Katie comes in, not to get it, but she has a rule. If anything goes on the floor, Rennie, leave it. Rennie, good girl.
Bring it, Rennie.
Oh, look, another pair of shoes. Oh, far out. I bought this girl.
Didn't she?
And I bought her again. What?
Maybe we should wait a second here. Be right back.
She did not have it in her mouth. She's a very good girl. When she's told no, she doesn't. I bought this girl again because, for one, I'm doing a couple collabs with these dolls. Oh, again, Darren, you're going to have to... Oh, there we go. That came up. Boy, they really didn't give a...
We just shoved the head on hair.
Yeah. Wow, that's really bad. You'll have to fix that. So I got this cute little outfit. It's got a little hat with it. Look how big they send the shoes.
Wow.
But they work. They work just grand. Let's try the brown ones on her, see how they look.
Well, they go on easy.
Yeah. And they're not falling off, so that's good. And it's a pair of shoes you don't have to make.
Well, you put socks on them, it probably fits better too.
Socks. All right, I'm going to pull this out and show you. She's a singing doll. We don't count here, so I don't let her count too much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Let's put this dress on real quick. We are also live on Thursday nights. Darren and I are at 6 p.m. Central. We'd like to invite you to come. We have the nicest group of people that come pretty regularly. We do a little trivia. We show some of our animals. We call it E-I-E-I-O. What else do? We have a dolly parade. We have a good time on Thursday nights, 6 p.m. Central. And I usually show dolls there. In fact, I showed my custom for Bianca on Wednesday there, and I haven't even recorded. Oh, I'm just going to leave her hair tucked. Haven't even recorded that for my channel yet. So we hope to see you Wednesday, and what a cute little outfit. Boy, I can't think straight.
Bianca from the show Wednesday, and
yeah,
you showed it Thursday night.
And there you go. She has this little hat, too.
That's cute.
She's not as tight as the others. But you know what? I don't care. She's just a cute, cute little doll.